Welcome to DiGGrowth. You have made a great choice. In order to get started with your performance marketing dashboard, you will need to connect all the ad platforms like Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, you name it, we have all the connectors. Let's take an example of Google Ads. In order to connect your Google Ads, click on the new account. You have options of all the ad platforms. In this case, we will go for Google Ads. Click on Continue. It will redirect to the sign in screen. You have to provide the login credentials. Click Continue. Click on Allow. Now you have connected your ad platform. You have two choices here. First is syncing the specific account or syncing manager account. In our case, it's a manager account, so we'll click on Manager. Choose the right manager account. Click on the specific account. Define how much data you would like to extract. Let's say we go 24 months. Click on Authorize, and that's it. You're connected to AdWords. It is that simple. No coding, no SQL, no Python, and all the data will automatically get ingested, and you can easily activate all of your other ad platforms in order to report all the performance marketing. Now that you've connected all of your ad platforms, it's time to go and look into the performance marketing dashboard. Here you've got ad source clicks, which is your distribution of traffic between Google Ads and LinkedIn paid ads. Just an example, but it could be across all the advertising platforms that you've connected. You can see all the important KPIs like cost, clicks, impressions, CPCs, CTR, cost per 1,000 impressions, all in one place. Down here, you can see all the important trends in terms of your impressions, clicks, along with the source summary, which will give you source summary of LinkedIn, AdWords, all the platforms side by side, as well as cost per conversions. Down here, you will see CPC networks. So it could be your search, it could be your social, it could be mixed. And if you scroll down further, you will see CTR and CPC trends, which is again very important in order to manage your performance marketing. Further down here, you've got campaign performance report, which again is a great value addition because here you will cover all the ad platforms into one day. So that's it. Good luck. And for any other further questions, let's connect on info@DiGGrowth.com.